Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new notebook on the Goodnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to create a new notebook, click to the new button at the bottom of the screen. And you can find the first option, the notebook. Click that. You can find the templates. You can select a cover for that. Click to the create notebook button. And you can write and you can draw to your notebook. So that's it, pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.